The Galaxy S23 Ultra has slimmer bezels than its predecessor for the most part. Although the Galaxy S22 Ultra is no slouch in the department, it appears that Samsung has a few improvements between generations. On the one hand, Samsung has reduced the bottom bezel thickness for Galaxy S23 Ultra, which now measures 1.9 mm down from 2.6 mm on the S22 Ultra. Additionally, the distance between the display edge and the frame is shrunk from 3.6 mm to 2.8 mm. Seemingly, Samsung has built the Galaxy S23 Ultra but the thinner frame than the S22 Ultra. There's a nominally wider gap between the display side and frame up from 2.3 mm to 2.4 mm. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a thinner chin and a less curved look than its predecessor. However, Samsung is still no closer to achieving even bezels, which its competitors have already managed. Samsung is going all in with Qualcomm's Snapdragon processor for the S23 lineup. According to the ICE universe, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will have considerable improvements in NPU, which is the AI chip, the GPU, which is graphics chip. This goes in line with a report we got a few days ago that the GPU of the 8 Gen 2 will be better than the A16 Bionic chip from Apple. Prime Core has more clock speed at 3.2 GHz compared to the 3 GHz of the 8 Gen 1 on the S22 Ultra. The mid-cores and efficiency cores also have more clock speed, which means we can expect some noticeable improvements in performance. Qualcomm is going to release this on November 15th event, but there is speculation in Samsung Eternal Disappear, where the higher officials want Exynos 2300 processor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but Samsung MX department is not satisfied with the Exynos 2300 performance. The ones who don't like a battery on the access range to Ultra should be happy, since Samsung were going to increase the battery on the Galaxy S23 Ultra around 5%. And you will also see a 5% battery increase in Galaxy S23, not a big update. But with new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 power efficiency and low power mode, and S23 Ultra will get a better battery backup than the S22 Ultra. World's first new Android high-enders powered by Qualcomm expected to see daylight as soon as November 2022. The Galaxy S23 lineup could be radically unveiled and released by the end of the year as well. But December is not the most conventionally accommodating setting for the launch event of a mobile device. Samsung is likely to wait until January. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.